Are you thinking about starting an email marketing campaign for your online business, but aren't sure if it's worth it? Well, this might help. In the US alone, 80% of adults use email, and 99% of customers check their email on a daily basis. Customers who buy products that are marketed through email spend 138% more than people who don't receive email offers. Imagine missing out on that much potential revenue. Let's say you're also looking for a quick and easy way to grow your email list. Connecting your site's existing forms to your favorite email marketing service is just the way to do it. But you're probably thinking, isn't that complicated and expensive? Luckily, the AWeber Addon by WPForms has got you covered. The AWeber Addon allows you to connect any of your contact forms to your AWeber account and automatically add users to your mailing list each time they fill out and submit a form on your site. Once inside the form builder, select your AWeber account and choose which email list you'd like these specific form submissions to be added to. The AWeber Addon also allows you to map your form fields to any available fields in AWeber. You can also include tags for your form submissions that will carry over to your AWeber account when the form is submitted. Connecting your web forms to your email marketing platform shouldn't have to be hard or confusing. And luckily, WPForms makes it easy. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. So what are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.